Genworth price increase. A Genworth price increase typically refers to rising costs associated with Genworth's long-term care LTC insurance premiums. Over the years, Genworth has implemented rate increases on many existing policies due to higher than expected claims, longer life expectancies, and the rising cost of healthcare. Policyholders often face premium hikes that can impact their financial planning and coverage options. 1. Why Genworth increases LTC insurance prices. Genworth has raised premiums due to several factors, including longer life expectancies. Policyholders are living longer, increasing the length of time they require care. Higher healthcare costs. The rising costs of home care, assisted living, and nursing homes contribute to premium hikes. More claims than expected. More policyholders are using their benefits, leading to financial strain on the company. Low interest rates. Insurance companies rely on investments to cover claims, but lower returns have impacted Genworth's ability to keep prices stable. 2. Who is affected by the Genworth price increase? Premium increases primarily affect existing policyholders with long-term care insurance. The price hike depends on factors like policy type. Older policies with rich benefits are more likely to see increases. State regulations. Some states approve larger rate increases than others. Coverage options. Policies with lifetime benefits and inflation protection are more likely to be impacted. 3. Options for policyholders facing a price increase. If a Genworth LTC policyholder receives a rate increase notice, they typically have these options. Pay the higher premium to keep the original benefits. Reduce coverage to maintain affordability. Opt for a paid-up policy, if available, to stop paying premiums while receiving reduced benefits. Cancel the policy if coverage is no longer needed, though this results in losing benefits. 4. How Genworth notifies policyholders about rate increases. Genworth sends written notifications to policyholders affected by a price increase, explaining the new premium amount, the effective date of the change, alternative options to adjust coverage, contact information for discussing policy modifications. 5. Can policyholders avoid future price increases? While future increases are possible, policyholders can adjust their coverage now to lock in lower premiums. Review other long-term care funding options, such as hybrid LTC insurance or Medicaid planning. Monitor state regulations, as some states limit premium hikes. Genworth price increases have affected many long-term care policyholders due to the rising costs of care and insurance claims. While rate hikes can be frustrating, policyholders should carefully review their options to maintain the best possible coverage within their budget. To see the best offers on long-term care insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.